How to save a Zoom AI summary to a Word document. I'm Hewie Poplock. This is for Zoom meeting hosts. After your meeting, you want to share Zoom's AI summary with some or all of your attendees. You want to save it as a Word doc file, but to copy and paste it to a Word doc fails at formatting. Let's see what we can do about that. First, locate the summary file. Open it. Scroll all the way to the bottom. Click on Open in Docs. That opens it in Google Docs. Saving the file as a Word doc here will not do it justice. In the Google Doc file that we just opened, go to the top right. Find the three dots and click with the right mouse button. Scroll down till you find Export. Click that and you will get three choices. Choose Word, and that will export the file to a Word doc. Open your download list and click on the Word doc that you just created. You now have your Zoom AI summary in a Word doc file, ready to be edited, saved, or saved as a PDF. I'm Hewie Poplock.